Okay, bags A, B and C each contain some carrots. There are a total of 863 carrots. The ratio of the number of carrots in bag A to the number of carrots in bag C is 4 to 3. A third of the carrots are removed from bags A and bag C, and there are now 674 carrots. And the question we are asked is how many carrots were in bag A at the start? Okay, this definitely looks complicated, but let's see how it models out. So we're going to have three bars representing the three bags of carrots, so A, B and C. And we're going to go straight to B and C because we're not told a lot about A at the beginning, but we're told that the ratio, actually we're told the total. Let's just put the total in there. We're told the total. So 863. 863. And so I've dealt with that bit of information. The ratio of the number of carrots in bag B to the number of carrots in bag C is 4 to 3. So what I'm going to do is draw 2, 3 and 4 parts to the bar for bag B, and then 3 parts which of the same size units, okay, for C. Okay, so all these units are the same. All of these parts are the same. And the total, including whatever's supposed to be here, is 863. Okay, so far so good. A third of the carrots are removed from bag A and bag C. Now, what this is telling me that is whatever I draw for A, I should divide into thirds. So I'm going to draw a bar for A, and it's going to be, I'm going to make it different size parts to here, just to be clear in my mind. Okay, so that's A divided into thirds, and we are going to, I'm going to shade a third and a third. That's what we're going to lose from here. And what I'm actually also going to do is, now I've drawn a bar for A, I'm remembering the question is how many carrots were in bag A at the start. So I've actually drawn a bar for A now. I'm actually also going to put that in start. And that is my question mark. Okay, so what happens when I take a third of A and a third of B? Well, we get, what do we get? We are told that the new total is 674. So we need to calculate the difference. So 863 take away 674 gives us 189. So I know that when I do this, that these two blocks, okay, these two blocks together are 189. Okay, I don't know the size of this block compared to these blocks here. It could be bigger, smaller, I have no idea. But I do know that the two together equal 189. Which then means I can do this. I can take away another 2. I can take another third away. All right, so I'm going to take another one away. So that's that one and that one. We're going to take away those 2. So which means I then have to, with my new total, I had 674. Okay, so I'm now down at 674. I need to take away 189 again. Take away 189 gives me 485, if I write it correctly. Okay, so that's 485 is this, these, and this. Okay, I think you can see where I'm going now. I then want to take these 2 away, and then it's going to leave me with these 4 equal parts. So 485, if I subtract 189, okay, let's shade them out. I'm going to take those two away. There we go. So I'm taking away that 189. That gives me 296. Okay. So by my reckoning, or by my bar model, I now have a value for the equal, some of these parts, these equal sized parts. I now know that these four have a value of 296. So if I divide 296, if I divide that by 4, that is going to give me 74. So each of these parts has a value of 74. Each of these is 74. And remember that these, we did know the ratio of those. These are equal. So these are also 74. So each, fill them all in, although I don't need to. Okay. So we now can see that these all have a value of 74. And if we know the value of these, we can work out the value of everything else. Because what can we do? Well, we now know that we can now work out the total value of B and C at the start. So that's how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we can do 74 times 7, and that gives us 518. So that's the value of all of B and C at the start. Okay, and at the start we know that we had 863. So we then do 863 and we subtract 518, and that gives us 345. And that is my answer. Okay, 345 is, if we've taken away all of those units from the total that we had at the start, that must be how many carrots were in A at the start. So there's my answer, 345. Okay, I hope that helped.